In this video, we're gonna try to find the area enclosed between the two circles given by x squared plus y squared minus 2x is 0 and x squared plus y squared minus 2y is 0. Okay, this is an Olympiad question. Okay, that means we have to be clever to solve it. Okay, the first thing I believe that we can do is we can find the centers and the radii of the circles. Okay, the first one here we can write it as x minus 1 squared plus y squared is 1, and the second one we can write it as x squared plus y minus 1 squared is 1. And therefore our first circle is centered at 1 0 and half radius 1. The second one is centered at 0 1 and half radius 1. Okay, if we graph them, we will see that this, let's assume this is 1, and let's make them a bit bigger. And the second one here, it's gonna be this circle. I'll make it bigger. We'll see why. Okay, and assume that these are the circles, and here we want to find this area here. So this is the question that we need to solve. Okay, I think there is an easy way to solve this kind of questions here. If we can, let's say this is 1. Okay, this is 1, to make this one clear. So here we see that this is a square. Okay, so here this is a square. Otherwise, to find the area, we need to find the points of intersection. Okay, these 2 points, and integrate this one here from this one here. That means the area. So to find the points of intersection, we need to solve. Okay, this is the calculus way. We can solve it without calculus, but we will try to do both. Okay, here we see that we can I didn't do it nicely here. So this, we can find this area here without using calculus. Here we see that we have a this is a quarter of circle. I'm focusing only on this half, okay, of this shaded area. This is the quarter of a circle, and we know that the area here is given the green area with the green area of this half, this quarter of circle here. Let me do it here to make it clear. So this area here, so this is 1, and now this area here. So this area is 1/2 alpha, which is pi over 4. Okay, pi over 2 times r squared, which is 1. Therefore this area is pi over 4. But here I'm interested only on this half, this area here, this part. So now I can subtract that one from here, but I know this is just the area of a triangle that has base 1 and height 1. That means the area is 1/2. So my area here, okay, so my area is gonna be the whole area minus the area of the triangle, which is pi over 4 minus 1/2. Okay, I can make it easier by writing it as pi minus 2 over 4. So this gives me just this black area here, shaded area, but I need the other half too. So therefore I multiply by 2 to get 2 pi minus 2 over 4, which is pi minus 2 over 2. So the area here is pi minus 2 over 2. Okay, we can check it using calculus. To do that, we need to find the function here, f of x of this top part and g of x of this lower part. Here, this first equation is given by this one here. We can find it as y squared is 1 minus x minus 1 squared. And I take only the top part, so I take the square root of 1 minus x minus 1 squared. And the other part, the lower part here, so it's gonna be y minus 1 squared is 1 minus x squared. And after that, I have to take the square root. So it's gonna be 1 minus x squared. Okay, and since it's the lower one, I have to take a minus here. Okay, and after that I add 1, so it's 1 minus x squared. And now what I'm gonna do is I have my this is my f of x, this is my g of x, and I need to find the points of intersection to be able to integrate f of x minus g of x dx between the points of intersections. This one here, that's 0, and this one here, I think it's 1. Okay, we're gonna prove it. So here, to find the points of intersection, we solve here. So if we subtract the first one from the second one, we get y minus x is 0. That means x is y. Here, we put x equals y here. We plug it in this function, so we get 2x squared minus 2y is 0. That means minus 2x, because x is y. So we get x times x minus 1, 0. That means x is 0 or x is 1. That means the points of intersection are 0, 0, and 1, 1. So when I want to integrate, so I'm going to integrate between 0 and 1. My top function, which is this one, minus this one. You see that the geometric solution is easier. So here, if we want to find the area, we'll have to integrate between 0, 1, 1, 1 minus x minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 1 minus x squared dx. Okay, and this will give us the enclosed area between the two. Okay, I hurried up, I didn't check it, I didn't edit the video, I might have made mistakes, but you get the general idea how to work with these ones. Okay, how to find them. Okay, so the aim is to make it clear and give you the maximum possible. Thank you very much.